Hi everyone, welcoming you all to my class Clear Cut Concepts. So today we are going to practice reasoning questions. Okay, already reasoning series I have done topic wise. Please go through once and then do the practice session. This question is regarding reasoning on KVS previous year question. KVS 2016. So it may help you for NDS, any type of exams, PGT, TGT and PRT, whatever it may be, the reasoning is same. So sure it will help you for the exams. Okay, let's get started. Question number 1 to 3, choose the correct alternative from the given ones. Okay, it may be the number or letter or figure. Find out the pattern and identify the next figure. That is the question. So the question number 1. So here the lines are coming like this. Okay, so first one you have to compare all the three with the figures. Okay, second one, middle one and then last one. First I am taking this line, first is landing and then it is rotating like this. First one and then 90 degree and then move to the next one. So that means it's rotating 45 degree I think. Yes or no? Here it is the middle one is totally it is 90 degree. Standing line and then horizontal line and then standing line. The next one must be the horizontal line. So clockwise you have to rotate it. Clockwise. This is the clockwise direction. Clockwise you have to rotate it. I am talking about the middle one. So first one is the standing line and then rotation and then rotation and then rotation like that. So total 90 degree it is moving. So the middle is like that. From that only we can conclude the answer. But for our accuracy we have to compare the other 2 points also. So this one is second one and then third one. Here it is the first line is this and then move to the 45 degree like that and then third one it will move to the west direction. Okay. Third also you can compare. Rotate like this. Okay. Figure, take the figure separately and then rotate it. You will get the answer. Okay. I hope it's clear. Given figure, find out the pattern, how it is rotating. It is 45 degree or 90 degree. What is 45 degree? It is a whole complete turn. So I did divide into 4 terms. 4 quarters. 90, 90, 90. One figure is like that and then only 45 degree means 1/4. 1/4, 1/4 like that it is moving. Okay, or half of the figure like that we can compare. So the answer is first one. Okay. Second question. Question number 2. Second one is it is given 2, 5, 14, 29, 50. So it is not a prime number. So we can't use the prime number rule. So how we can compare? So anything it is not a perfect square also. So something related. So I could find out this one is 2. 5 can be written as, first one is 2. 5 can be written as 3 plus 2. 14 can be written as 12 plus 2. 27 plus 2, 48 plus 2. Like that we can find out. Okay. So the first one is 2 is fixed. So we can find the pattern next. Okay. So it must be an even number only. 2 plus some may be the AND number. Final answer may be changed. Okay. 2. Because add and even both are included. So we can't predict it is add or even. Okay. Come to the next point. First, it is a multiple of 3. Have you noticed? 3, 3 into 4. Like that it is going on. Okay. So what we identify the pattern? 3 can be written as 3 into 1. 12 is 3 into 4. 27 is 3 into 9. 48 is 3 into 16. So it is a perfect square. Have you noticed it? 1, 4, 9, 16. Perfect square. What is the perfect square of next number? 16. After 16 it is 25. It must be 25. 3 into 25 plus 2, 75 plus 2. That is 77. Okay. The answer is 77. So what is the general pattern of this question? 3n squared plus 2. Okay, it is forming the AP. We have learned in 10th standard. Okay, some number will be given to you. You have to make the general form 3n squared plus 2. Like that, we have to find out what is that relation between the first number and the second number, and make the rule and check the other numbers also. We will get it. Okay, and then come to the next question. Third one. Verbal form. Okay, whenever you are getting the verbal form, write A to Z once. Okay, it will help you. Easy to understand. Don't do it in the without writing. Okay, I know directly I can change it. Okay, that is not a correct way. It will make a mistake. Okay, then come to the question. It is A, B, D, G something. So you have to find out. Any idea? Check it once. How it is formed? Yes, it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Like that it is going on. Next one is G, H. After G, H, I, J. I, J. These two only consist I, J. So we can cut these two. So 50% cancel. Okay, we can find out next two only. What about the relation of the third letter? Third letter is after D. After D, I am writing D. After D, G, K. You know? Two letters left. After F, F, I has written. After F, I. You know? So how they written D? That we have to find. A, B, one letter left, D. And then C, D. One letter, they leave the one letter F like that. L, I, J. After J, leave a letter L. Answer is L. Both are having L. So we want to cut. Okay. Next is L. We find out L. Okay. Next question. After this one, how they formed the fourth letter? Fourth letter is after D, they leave two numbers. E, F. F, G, H. H, I, J. Like that for our letter L. Leave it to. We have to find O. The answer is I, J, L, O. Okay. Come to the next question. Fourth one. After starting from her school, Sheila walked 2 kilometers towards east. Okay. So first east-west direction we will form the line. This is east, west, north, south. After starting from her school, Sheila walked. Suppose Sheila is here. Okay. Sheila walked towards east, 2 kilometers east. This is 2 kilometers. Okay. And then she is walking like that towards east. So her left is this side and then right is this side. Okay. She took turn again, walk toward left turn. So 2 kilometers again. Okay. 2 kilometers again. Okay. And then she took turn again 2 kilometers like that. Left side is like that. Here it is 2 kilometers. She is standing from her school at what distance? In which direction and what distance? This is 2 kilometer distance. North direction. Okay. Answer is 2 kilometer north direction. Come to the next question. Fifth one. S denote plus, D denote minus. So some letter denotes the symbol. So you have to convert it into letter to symbol and find out the answer using the BODMAS rule. So 5 is here. P means cross into 6. Q denotes division. Okay. 15. S denotes plus 8. D denotes minus 5. So now we know the calculation. First, any bracket or multiplication, division you have to do. Okay. So this is within the bracket we can write 5 6 are 30 divided by 15 plus 8 minus 3 is 5 is 3. This is the division. So 2 plus 3, 5. Answer is 5. Okay. Come to the next question. In class of 45 students, Reema secured 12th rank. So total how many students? Total 45 students. Okay. Total 45 students. Reema got, so 1, 2, like that it's going on. Reema got 12th rank. Okay. Her friend Sona got 3 below means 15th rank. Okay. From the below, what is the rank of Sona? That is the question. So total is 45. Okay. So how many students in between Sona and the last one? Sona is the 15th girl. Okay. So in between 30 students are there. 30 students. 15 plus 30, 45. So from the below means from here you have to put the rank 1, 2 like that. So 30 students are in between them. Therefore this is the 30th rank. But they are asking Sona's rank. Therefore the rank of Sona is 31st rank. 31st rank. So easiest way is subtract these two number and add 1. Always number of person means we are adding. So the answer is 31st. Next, 7th one, study the following diagram. Okay, so triangle represent musicians. Whole triangle represent musicians, and then they are in between also it is given. Which is common these two, that is B, this is C, this is G, like that it is given. So A represent only this portion. Circle is singers and lyricist. Which region does not show the lyricist? They don't want the lyricist. These things. Okay. So the remaining portion, this is the unwanted portion. So the remaining portion represent the region A, B, D. The answer is A, B, D. Okay. Come to the next question. Which of 3 cubes given below can be created by folding the given design? Okay, this is the net for making a cube. Okay, net for making the cube. Okay, so you have to fold it and find out the answer. This must be an opposite direction, opposite boxes. That is keep in your mind. This figure I can copy paste from the previous questions. Okay, figure is not clear like that. Just to get it the idea from here. This portion always represent the opposite. Okay, so this is the base. Suppose you are folding right like this, and then you have to make over the top of this by using this one. So all the 3 is the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, formed. Come to the next question, 9th one. The diagram given below represent the physical education, Sanskrit, music and the psychological students. Okay. Who study psychology as well as music but not Sanskrit and physical education. They don't want to study Sanskrit and physical education. So the whole will be eliminated. This portion should be eliminated. Not a single children. So some of A are studying Sanskrit. Some of B also studying physical education. But the question is not a single children. So you have to remove A and then B also. Okay, only this F represent only they are learning music and psychology. This is the intersection portion. 2 circle Venn diagram. If it is cutting means this is the common portion. They are learning both music and psychology. This portion represents something included this portion also. Na? That is the meaning is A. If you are selecting A means the children are learning music, psychology and then Sanskrit also. Because some of the students are learning Sanskrit. So we have to avoid. Therefore we are cutting A also. Only F. F represents only music and psychology, common portion. Okay. So we can't select A. Some of them writing A, F, B. That is wrong. Because some of A are learning Sanskrit. Some of B are learning physical education. That is this portion represent. This is the common portion of these two. So we have to eliminate this one. So we are getting F only. In a certain code language, okay, musician is written. This one, how can director can be written? Okay. So find out the relation between these two and applying this, we will get the answer. So I am writing here director, D-A-R-E-C-T-O-R, director. So what is the condition for first and second? M to O. M. So leave a letter and then write it. D means after D, E. Leave a letter and then write F. Okay. What is the connection for second letter? U to S. U. Yes. Cut a letter previous. Here I. So you have to move forward. G. Okay. So this is not the answer. Second one we can close it. Third R. Okay. R is here. Third letter S. S to U. S to U. Forward. Here it is R. Forward is T. So this will be cancelled. Fourth one. I. I to G. I to G. Reverse order again. C to C. Fourth letter. Fourth letter is here E. E. Reverse order one more push. C. F, G, T, C. This is the answer. Here it is G, therefore not correct. So the answer is first one. We can find the next four option also. Okay, check it. Next question, 11th one. Letter to symbol. Okay. So sitar is written like this. How it is artist. So all the letters are here. A-R-T-A-S-T, S-I-T-A-R. 5 letters only used. Some more word they are made. Okay. So this one is sitar. S-I-T-A-R. Sitar. We need artist. First letter is A. For A, triangle. For R, circle. Half of the circle. T, at I plus S T. This is the answer. Okay. The first one is the correct answer. Move to the next question. Question number 12. Select the correct combination of number to form the meaningful word. So maximum it start with 3. So we can make it orally. And then we can check it also. Start with S. What may be the thing S-E-N like that you need to check. So it's clearly it is showing S-I-N-G-E-R, singer. So start with the 3. Yes, E, 2. So 3 and 2 only one option is the singer. And then check the remaining number. Okay. Next question. Add one out. Okay. Football, cricket, hockey and volleyball. So which one is the odd one out? Cricket. Why it is cricket? I am thinking other things. Football, hockey, volleyball. Every game have the boundary. Okay. Particular place they are giving to put a ball on it. But for cricket, no boundary for cricket. They can hit like this. Okay. 6 and more than 6 also. Okay. So it's cross the boundary. And then you can give your opinion also. Okay. The correct answer is cricket. And then what is your opinion? Okay, why it is cricket? I think this is the answer. Okay. So I am waiting for your opinion also. what you are thinking, why it is cricket. Come to the next question. Why it is add one? What is that add one? Newspaper, email, telephone, mobile number. Newspaper. Clearly it is showing newspaper. Rest of the things are electronic items. Okay. Come to the next question. 15th one. Select the correct combination of mathematical sign. So you have to replace the star by some sign. Okay. You will get the answer. Okay. If you are putting into means 27 plus 6, 30. But it is 36. So first one is not possible. Third one is we can try. Why? Because 9 plus 3, 12. Minus 6, 6. 24 minus 12. Minus 12. Okay, this is not the answer. Because this is 12 minus 6, 6. So it is not correct. Like that you need to check. Second one, randomly I am checking. 9 minus 3 plus 6 equal to 24 minus 12. All three stars replaced by these three symbols. Okay. 6 plus 6, 12. That is equal to 12. So the second one is correct. Okay. Put a symbol and then check left hand side and right hand side should be equal. Come to the next question. Which of the following symbol? So you have to use this symbol, put it here. But the condition is F is greater than T and U is less than E. So F is greater than T. So we can directly take the third answer. Third one. Why? Because I am putting the sign first one. F is greater than and equal to less than. Check the condition. F is greater than T. Yes, greater than only. Because L is equal to T. Greater than T. U is less than E. Yeah. It is equal to T. No problem. But condition is these two. We need to check. The correct answer is third one. Come to the next question. 17th one. From the given alternative, select the word cannot be formed. Which cannot be formed? So stand, all the letters check stand S, T, A, N, D. We can make saint, S-A-I-N-D. Make sister. Double S here, only one S is here. So we have to check into last one S-T-T-A-N. S-A-T-A-N. This also correct. So this word we can't make because we need two S. Okay. Next, 18th one. 18th one, pointing a boy, a man said. Okay, one man is here. So, practice blood relation questions. Okay, already I have done 10-15 questions. Watch that video, it will be easy. Very, very simple questions. Okay, so his pointing to a boy, a man said. This is a man, this is a boy. So, for male we are using boxes, for female we are always using the circle. This is the boy. Okay. His mother. So his mother, previous generation, circle, mother, boy's mother. His mother is the only daughter of my father. Previous generation, father. Only daughter is a son. He is a son, daughter, father. Only daughter of my father. So what are these two? Mother is a sister, son. Okay, brother. These two are brother and sister. How is the man related to the boy's mother? Brother. Okay. Come to the next question. In a certain language, it's past, it's not. In a certain code language, Divani means music is life. So we have to compare these three things. This one means music is life. Second one means life is beautiful. Third one means live long life. Which one means beautiful? Okay. So first compare the first two things. Music is life. Second, life is beautiful. Two words are common. Music is life. Is life. Is life. Okay. Music is life. Life is beautiful. Life is. Two words are common. So two codes should be common, na? So which two codes are common? Niva. Okay, what is it remaining means? Music means D here. Because common one we cancel. Okay, ni cancel. Because that represent is life. So remaining music is D. Here what is beautiful? Answer is K. Okay, like that we can check it. Come to the next question. Statement. Some conclusion type statement. Okay, so read the question statement carefully and then what is given. According to that, we have to select the answer. To maintain law and order in country, police department need major reforms. Present working condition of policemen are not good. That is given. So what is the course of action? So that is the problem. So what is the solution for this problem? One is more facilities like well-equipped vehicles, yes. Latest arms and ammunition, better salary should be provided to the policeman. Okay, reforms, major reforms. That means some changes should be made in the police force. Second one, man force at police service should be increased. That is not given. Okay, number of persons should be increased. It is not given. So what is given should be reform. Reform means these are the possibilities. The answer is only one is follows. Okay. Second question. India is a secular country. Secular country. What is it meaning? All Indians enjoy some rights irrespective of their religion. Okay, that is correct. Okay. Next, Indian Constitution does not believe in religion. That is not mentioned anywhere. Okay, it is not mentioned. So in the conclusion statement type, we can't put our ideas. We don't put, we no need to put. Only understand it, what is apt related to this question. Secular countries means we can enjoy the rights according without any religion irrespective of the condition. That is the meaning. That is not the meaning we are not believing the religion. Okay, so second one is not possible. So the answer is only first one, conclusion is correct. Next one, 22. Music is not only entertains but also improve mental health. Okay, here it is given music is an entertainment and improve mental health. This is the given statement. So don't judge the conclusion by your opinion. That is must here. Okay. What is the statement given here? According to the statement, you have to select the answer. Okay, we have lot of perception according to the music, secularism, everything, but we can't put our own idea. Here we have to give important to the given statement only. Okay, so music is a source of entertainment. Yeah, entertainment is given, so correct. To keep yourself mentally fit, yeah, mental health is also given. So both are correct. Both 1 and 2 are follows. Okay. Come to the next question. So the next question is 5 friends A, B, C, D sitting close to each other. Okay. Equal distance. Okay. So you have to draw the direction. So already E is also given, therefore I am writing small letter east, west, north and then south. Okay. Sitting close to in equal distance. A is sitting to the north of B. North of B. Suppose B is here. A is sitting north of B. Like that, equal distance. A is sitting north of B. C is sitting east of D. We don't know where is D. So write it here separately. Here it is T. C is sitting east of B. C. Okay. E is sitting to the west of B. B we know. West of B. E is sitting to the west of B. D is sitting to the south of E. Here it is D. D is sitting to the south of E. So they are in the equal distance. So it must be on the line C. Okay. These two now we can match it here. East and south. Okay. What is our question? Which direction C is sitting with respect to A? With respect to A is in the south. Answer is south. Okay. Next question. 24th. If the position of the first and fifth digit from the left of the number is interchanged. So some number is given 7210342 okay. If the position of the first and fifth digit, position of the from the right, this is the first position 1 2 3 4 5. This is the fifth position. Fifth position. Interchanged, we are interchanging. Okay. First point is over. Similarly, the position of second and sixth. Second and sixth, we are interchanging. Not here. Use it here. Okay. Already changed, no? That's it. So 7226341 interchange. Similarly, third two. These two successively we are doing. Okay, that is a given. The position of second interchange, so on. So on means successively you have to do. Okay, these two are we are interchanging. Which one? First position, second position is over. Now third. Third to sixth. These two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third to 7 and fourth to 8. Okay, third to 7 we are interchanging. Third to 7 means 4 will become here. Fourth to 8. These two. 3 and 7 we need to interchange. So successively we interchanged. Okay, everything is over. Then what should be the product of sum of the first two and last two digit? Sum of the first two digit is 7. Sum of the last two digit is 1. And then product of these two. The answer is 7. Okay, interchange it carefully. Very simple, minute questions. Only they are checking your concentration and patience. Okay. So the answer is 7. Come to the next question. In a clock 6:15 a.m., her needle is in the northeast direction. In which direction it would be the minute needle? That is important. They are not asking the hour needle. They are asking the minute needle at 12:45. Okay, this is our clock. Okay. Hour needle in the northeast. 6:15 is northeast. Northeast is north. So we always put in between two lines. Suppose it's 12 means 1, 2, 3. So 2 lines, put 2 lines here. 6:45 in the north. Northeast means this area. Okay, this represent east, west, north, south. So northeast means in between this area. Okay. 6:45. So here, small hand. Our hand means small hand. 6:45. This is 6. This is 6. Maybe here or here. That won't much different. Okay. 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 8, 9. Here it is 10. Oh, correct, no? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that you have to draw. Because 6 o'clock is in the northeast. 6:15. 15 means hour and minute hand is like that. This is the minute hand. 3 is here. Okay, this is 3. So this is our time limit, 6:15. We need 12:45. They are asking only minute hand. No need of hour hand. We need to check unnecessarily. Only minute hand. 45 means it should be in the 9th. This one moving to 9th. So what is the direction? Southeast. Answer is southeast. They are asking minute hand. Therefore, we are checking only the minute hand. Therefore, the answer is southeast. Come to the next question. 25th over. Yeah. 26. Salman Amir like harmonium, piano. Like that, some children like harmonium, piano, and then next 2 children flute and sitar. Shahrukh and Varun like piano and tabla, but Salman, Akshay and Varun like guitar. Okay, what is our question? Who likes flute, sitar and guitar? Tino. All 3. All 3. Who likes all 3? That is a question. Okay, we separate it. Flute. Who are all like flute? Here, check it here. Flute and sitar. Amir and Akshay. Amir and Akshay. Okay. Flute and sitar. And then we don't want harmonium and piano. Shahrukh and Varun like piano, tabla. But Salman and Akshay and Varun like guitar. Guitar, Salman, Akshay, Varun. One more thing. This one is over. Who is common in all the 3? Akshay. Akshay like all the 3 instruments. Okay, like that you have to segregate. Okay, name wise you can segregate or instrument wise you can segregate. That will be easy to find out the answer. Come to the next question. Identify which represents the classes given. Okay, circle. So year, month, week. So 1 year means 12 month. 12 month included. After 12 month included means week. 52 weeks included in the year. So one is inside the other. The answer is 2. Okay. Come to the next question. Arunachala Pradesh, Telangana. What about something is missing here? You have to find Haryana. Given Haryana. So Telangana is separated from Andhra Pradesh. Like that we need to find Haryana is separated from Punjab. Answer is Punjab. Come to the next question. 29. Some figure is given. What will be in the next one? Okay. So here circle are used. Here triangle are used. The third is square. Square only these 2. So these 2. 1, 2, 3. This is not in the option. So this may be these 3. Okay. What is the order they are using? First circle, dark circle is in the right corner, left corner, third will be in the right corner. Okay, right corner. This is the correct. Answer B is correct. Okay. Next one, 100 to 10. What is the number to 0.01? So if you multiply 10 with, you will get the first number. Same way, if you multiply 10 with this number, you will get the previous number. If you multiply means 1 point move to the right, the answer is 0.01. Okay. So I hope every question clear. Thank you for watching my channel. Once again I am telling, please subscribe my channel, and then if you are already subscribed, send it to your friends. We will be also helping from this video. Thank you all. All the best for your exam.